China has carried out drills in the South China Sea to simulate fending off an aerial attack, state media said on Friday, in the latest show of military muscle amid rising tensions between Beijing and Washington over the strategic waterway. The drills, which involved 3 target drones making flyovers of a ship formation at varying heights and directions, are part of ongoing efforts by China's Navy to improve its real-life combat ability, the official PLA Daily said in a report. It said the drones were used to precisely verify the feasibility and effectiveness to ensure a close stimulation of an aerial attack target. The drones had already been sent out several hundred times during more than 30 previous drills, according to the newspaper.